Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm just sitting down here chillaxing with the Cooksters. Yay! Say hello, Cookie. Come on, turn around. I didn't tell you to come get in my leg. You know, you're knocking down my plants and things. Say hello. Hello, hello, hello. Well, anyway, guys, as I promised, I am back with a 3-week follow-up on the Mederma product. Yes, the Mederma product. I am back with the follow-up on that. So, this is my thoughts as far as the 3-week process have gone. With this process, I can definitely say that I've seen like a small change in my dark marks along my jawline. They have lightened up, and some of them have become smaller. Okay, and I think it's doing its job. But remember, this is supposed to be a 3-month, 90 days type of thing, and 6 months for old scars, and my scars were actually old scars. And for them to be old scars on my face from the hyperpigmentation from me picking and messing in my skin, and now having sense enough not to do that, I can say that Mederma is really doing a wonderful, wonderful job. Now, this is what I also use along with my turmeric soap, which I showed you guys in my last video. I also use a Vino Clear in Complexion. Okay, that's a moisturizer, daily moisturizer, and I also use the cleanser. I use a cleanser, and along with using those products, I also have an electrical brush that I use. I got this off of Amazon. I spent like $20 for it, and it has like 4 replaceable heads to it, and I'm gonna tell you something about this. This is like really a wonderful, wonderful facial cleanser, because it has not only the spin for your face, it also has like an area where these little notches, let me take it out so that you guys can see. You can sit down, Cookie. Sit down. You see these right here? These are like massagers for your face. So they actually massage your face, which is awesome. And these are the detachable heads. And the good thing about this thing is you don't have to buy batteries. You can charge it. You can charge it, and you don't have to worry about buying batteries. Okay, because my old one I had to buy batteries, and the batteries were forever dying. So anyway, I decided to upgrade and get me one that I can use. Just plug it into the socket. So this is one of the detachable heads. This is another one. It has like the little small ridges on it. This is one for like massaging your face. And this is another one that has it's like a massager as well. It has the same heads as these up here. This is like really, really a lifesaver. This type of stuff for me is a lifesaver. I love it. I pamper myself with these things at night. I just go in the bathroom and I wash my face, and I just go all over my face, and it just feels so good. And you know, it just helps to rejuvenate your skin, which is awesome. So let me put that over here. Okay, so guys, this is not going to be a long video. This is going to be a very short video. I just wanted to give you an update, because remember, on October the 26th, I said I was going to come back on November the 16th, and today is November the 16th. And the next video I will do on the update of this Mederma will be at the 3-month mark. I'm going to put it at the 3-month mark. And as you can see, I've been using, look how tacky my box is. It's just tore up. So anyway, it will be at the 3-month mark, and I will come back and we will see what we have going on with these scars. I'm going to insert a picture right here of the before and my now, to let you guys see exactly where I'm at and what I'm talking about as far as the scars not being as large as they were. Around the darker perimeter, it was like larger. Now they're like kind of like shrinking down, which is awesome. It is amazing. I am so pumped about this because I have been looking for a very long time for a product that will actually work to help me get rid of these dark marks on my skin, and this is actually helping my skin to improve, and I'm excited about that. I'm really excited about that. It was not that expensive, which is great. So guys, if you're having issues with dark marks on your skin, you know what I'm saying, kind of like, you know, you're gonna have to play with it. Like I said, I went to the dermatologist. I got hydroquinone. It didn't work for me. I used a plethora of different products to see what would help me get rid of these dark marks, and I just couldn't find anything. But I don't know if it's because I wasn't consistent with the product. I don't know, but I'm very consistent with this. I wash my face and I put this on every night like clockwork. Okay, and I go to sleep. The next morning I get up, I start do my same routine. I wash my face off, I moisturize it and everything, and I keep it moving. Now today I don't really have it. Let me move up to see if you guys, excuse me Cookie, but I don't understand why you're facing that way. You're tripping this today. So let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see. See? This was much larger. Over here, this spot here was much darker. It's lightening out. This one over here is almost gone. So, I'm telling you guys, Mederma is really doing the trick. It's doing the trick. So, we're going to see what we get in the 3-month or 90 days, as they would say, mark. And see the improvement we get. I'm going to be consistent, and then I'm going to come back with video number 3 on Mederma, and I think that's going to be at the end of that to see, you know, if this actually if it works. And I'll mention it here and there in other videos as to the progress of what's going on with it. I'm not going to just do video after video, but it will be, this is a 3-part video. Okay, so this marks number 2. All right, guys, so I have to go. I love you, and I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I also want to say, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I love you. Bye.